Actually, on this coming Friday, we are planning for the fundamental rights for the Gandhiji.
For that, what we have to do?
He is the father to the people.
No, what we have to do now?
You contribute the amount of the soda of the constitution.
Who are you to talk me like that?
Why talk? Is this the way to talk?
Pardon?
Is this the English?
Pardon?
Is this the English? Where are you now?
Hello, who are you? Tell me.
We are the judicial of the construction.
Judicial of the construction. What do you mean by that?
Is the constitution of literacy of the constitution.
Okay, tell me, where are you from?
We are from the judicial.
Is this your legal number?
Is this the private number?
Then how can we believe that you're from that department?
Is the crime investigation bureau of the Karnataka.
Are you from Karnataka or from somewhere else?
We are Maharashtra for the Karnataka.
What nonsense are you talking? Who are you?
We are the judicial.
Hello.
Is this Kumar Shankatrappa?
No, it's wrong number. Just mind your business, okay?
Business is the judicial.